seems to work now. Great. Hello and welcome to a coding session, which I want to try. My name is Johannes, and I thought I could stream some programming, just quite random. I just saw a video about GitHub Copilot and how powerful it is, and I thought maybe I can try that. So what I want to do is I want to create a new GitHub repository. I want to use a already initialized Spring project with some basic Java, and maybe use some ChatGPT to enhance our experience, but mainly use GitHub Copilot. So I thought I would try just some random stuff. Actually, a few years back, I thought I had a great idea to basically build like a lobby for people who want to code, and basically for people who want to code together. So you can create a project and you can say, well, I want to code this and that, and maybe somebody would join me in that or not. And some other person who wants to code as well can look through the open sessions or planned sessions and just join. And then you can code together. That's the basic idea of it. It turned out it's quite difficult to program, and even more difficult to maintain, to run that whole software, to clear out the legal stuff. So, well, I actually did that together with a colleague of mine, and we ended up restarting the project over and over again. And then we just completely stopped because we didn't have so much fun anymore, and it was just for fun, really. So what I wanted to try now is just recreate that project and see how far I can go with GitHub as my Copilot. So I will try name this social programming, social coding. Let's do that. We will make that public just for the sake of being transparent, since we are, since I am programming in a stream right now. Yeah, let's just create that project. Here we go. And now I will clone that project down on my computer and then add the Spring project to it. 1 second, I just have to clone a little bit. That shouldn't take long. Here we go. I have to do that in a new folder, so new project. And let's clone. So we can't find any projects. Yes, here we go. Now I'm downloading, cloning that one. And now we go to the Spring initializer. Like I said, I will use a basic Maven project with Java. Or maybe, I just thought of that. Maybe we can add some stuff like Vaadin, for instance. I would like to use Vaadin as a GUI. GUI. Some colleagues of me say GUI and some say GUI. In Germany, it's GUI is more used, just because we don't say GUI. We would say GUI, but we don't. So that's that. I don't know, maybe, yeah, Spring Data, why not? What should we use as for persistency? I think we can take JPA and then basically just store everything in a H2 for the time being. Is there any H2? Yes, it is. Wonderful. And I think that's it. We don't need a lot of stuff right now. So we click generate. It basically lets me download some zip file. I will open that. Unfortunately, you can't see that because then I would have to censor my whole desktop and everything, and I don't want to do that. I'm a bit lazy. So we just simply put that in, and after that initialization, I want to use the browser anyway, so we don't need to share any other windows. Okay, I quickly commit that initial commit. We publish the main branch. Hopefully that works. And here we are. And now for the interesting stuff, I think. At least for me. That is the completely wrong thing. I just click on the unread notifications. It's a bit of a reflex. That's not good. We want... do we want to chat with Copilot right away? What could we do? Can he already do something here? So I want to add some users and basic secure authentication and a login with H2 backend powered by JPA and the HQ database. Can you create that for me? I'm sure if there are any, like, how do you say that? Prompt engineers, they would kill me, basically, but that's not what I am, and I simply use ChatGPT a lot of times, but rarely for programming, to be honest. Most of the time it's for writing stuff. Okay, so he tells us what to do. I don't want it to tell us what to do. I simply copy that for later use, hopefully. I actually, in the video, saw Copilot did the programming and created a pull request. And that's what I want here. Maybe we should just tell him that. Can you create these changes and create a pull request for it? Searching for file. Okay, I will create the necessary files for the user in entity, repository, and security configuration, and then create a pull request for these changes. Now, that is incredible. Next, I will create these files. Yeah. Okay. Please execute that. This. Searching for file. I currently do not have the capability to create branches or files directly. I do not want to do that. No. That's not what I want. Okay. So, as I understood it, immersive. What's immersive? Yeah, great. We just put it on full screen. That's interesting, but not useful right now. But I also saw that you can have a code space for it. And we want to have that repository that we just created, which is, to be honest, what? No. What is this? We just created some social coding. Yes, that's it. Wonderful. And now do that. Machine type. I think that's more than enough. Usage is paid for by Johannes Rauber. Well, hopefully I don't need to pay anything here. But we'll find out. Okay. Of course, we want the dark modern theme. That's all right. That's fine. Just the right amount of UI. Well, thank you. Come on. Mark is done. Thank you. Okay, he is running some post-create command. Do we want to? Yeah, sure. Some Java stuff. It's always good. And what I really want is GitHub Copilot. Copilot. Yes. Both? I don't know. What's the difference? Your AI pair programmer. That's what I want. I actually don't want to chat here. No, deny, whatever. Error while initiating. Okay. Yeah, like I said, I don't need the chat. I really want that pair programmer. Copilot is powered by AI, so mistakes are possible. Yeah. Review output carefully before use. Okay. Open chat. Open Copilot edits. Now, we simply insert the string from before. Can you create that for me? Again, the same question. Let's see what comes up. Sure, I'll guide you through. No, I don't want you to be guided through that. Okay, but here it's creating something. Oh, I just see that my face is in the way, basically. Can I move that? Yeah, maybe. My face is better planned here. Maybe I should remove it just completely. Nobody cares about faces anymore. Alright, this setup provides a basic user registration and login system with secure password storage using Spring Security JPA and an H2 in-memory database. Accept. Okay, now what? What is it doing? Okay, edit. Yeah. So what did we do? Okay, we did some changes. Can you show us the diff in a nice way, or is it just this very manual way? Well, okay. So it added password encoder and Spring Security. I thought I already... Oh, no. I didn't add Spring Security when I downloaded Spring. So that's all right. That's good. Don't know why I did that. Or did it change the... well, the changed files, for friend's sake. Here we go. These are the changes, right? Oh man. Okay, register HTML. No, that's not what we want. Oh no, JetGPT. Oh no, GitHub Copilot. Maybe I was too unclear. Okay, it did some. It created a user repository, that's fine, and a user service, that's good practice to create a service for the repository. And then it encoded the password, that's still really good, I think. Created the user entity with an ID, a username, and a password. Existing code. Well, okay. We'll take that. And it created an auth controller. Okay, that's for time leave. We don't want that. I actually really don't want that. Okay, let's just kill all these changes. They are no good. Discard changes, yes. We have to talk to him again. Why is this? Kill it. Okay. I don't see the previous conversation. What's the difference here? Ask Copilot. Start your editing session by defining a set of files that you want to work with. I want to work with all my files. Yeah. Close all. All right. Ask Copilot. I want to have all of this and a login with H2 backend powered by Java and the H2 with the H2 backend that was powered by JPA and the H2 database. And please use Vardin as a front end. No time leave, please. Can you create that for me? Yeah, I think that was the basic mistake here. Let's try it again. Okay, determining user intent, that's cool. Oh no, I don't know what else it said. Wow. Sure, here's a proposed directory structure for a Vardin app with JPA. Great. So far. Can we say, yeah, create workspace? I don't want to create a workspace. We have that. Used new workspace. We have the workspace already. Edit with Copilot, create workspace. So it created a completely new workspace. No, a completely new app. That's not what I wanted. Okay. Again, we're just playing around here, so no harm is done. Let's change that. Edit with Copilot. No. Retry. Nope. Just make a new request. Okay. Open Copilot edits. That's the fun thing, I think. Now, again. Sure, I'll guide you through creating that stuff. But it will not guide us. It will straight change these files. It's just so interesting to see. All right. So this time it didn't add anything to the POM, which is interesting. Let's quickly see the POM Yeah, we already have that stuff. I don't know why, actually. What is this now? No, we did. Okay. So it created the user repository again, the user, this time a bit different. Not necessarily bad, but different. The security config, yeah, that's something we need. That looks pretty good. Does it encrypt anything here? Yes, the password encoder, great. Security filter chain, very, very good. So I think that's good. I'm not sure if that all works perfectly, but that looks good at least. And the main view, of course, with Vaadin this time. This is very good. Now the logout, okay. And the login view. Okay, so far so good, I would say. Yeah, it uses the Vaadin login form. That's good. That's great. First, login, basic implementation. Let's commit that. Oh no, wait. There's a button. Generate, yes, please. Add initial implementation of core classes for social coding application. Well, yeah, why not? Save all and commit changes. Do you want to save the changes? GitHub will make to these 7 files. AI generated changes may be incorrect and should be reviewed. Yeah, we don't need that. We are very competent. At least that's what we say. Sync changes. Yes, please. This action will pull and push commits from and to origin main. Yes. Would you like Visual Studio Code to periodically run git fetch? Sure. Now, how can we run that? Run and debug. Now that sounds promising. I never did that with a Vaadin app. What does it do now? Nothing, right? That's not a lot, really. Please generate debug configuration with yes, please. We want to use as much Copilot as possible here. Configuration, okay. I'm not sure if that really works, to be honest. Maven, okay, Maven clean install is good, but still, no. Maven clean install is good. I don't think it's even perfect for this fit, for this task, but it doesn't run the app. It just builds it. So that's not what we wanted. Ooh, where are we there? It's strange. It's a bit strange for me. Okay, that's not what we want. We actually want some Maven command. Ask Carlo, please give me the command line for starting the Vaadin project in Maven, because I can't remember it. It was something like Vaadin launch or something. Spring Boot run. Oh yeah, true. It's a Spring Boot application, so that should work. Insert into terminal. Yes, hit it. Don't even know where that comes out. Errors and problems. The POM isn't quite perfect. That's not good. Let's see. This is the exclusion. Yes. Wording def. That's not bad. Must match the start. Where's the line? 89. Exclusions. Yeah, it's just 2 times exclusions. That's basically it. Why do you do weird things? What? Heh, what's going on? Modify. Yes, dude. Okay, now that's the wrong order. Why is that red? Accept whatever. Just let me do my stuff. Yes, okay. Now we can finally add this one line. No, here we go. That should be done now. Let's try it again. Okay, looking good. Downloading a bunch of stuff. After that, it will need to download a lot of NPM packages. Okay, release version 23 is not supported. By whom? By whom? Bum, bum, bum. Compiling at source 11. Well, what kind of Java do you use here? Whatever. We'll just take the safe bet. Let's take 17 and run it again. Okay, so what kind of problem do we have now? No, that's not it. Errors, error. Release version 17 not supported. What kind of version do you support then? Maven compiler plugin. Do we have an old version of that one? What's the newest Maven compiler plugin version? And where is it here? It's not there. Ah, it's not defined. Maybe that's a problem. That could very well be. Okay, please update the Java version to version 23 and fix the error of not supported Java version. Let's let the AI do the work. What? Why are you writing this again? Okay, yeah, that sounds familiar. Should be good here. Plugins, plugin. Okay, 23, and where is the Java version here? 23. Let's run it again. Downloading a bunch of stuff. Did it change something else here? No. 341 Java. Oh, that's a great idea. Just check what's installed. 11. Well, that's not good. How can I update that? That's a good question. Maybe ask Copilot. Can I change the current Java version in the GitHub workspace. 11 is quite old. 22 LTS. That's really old. But that's not what I wanted, is it? Yes, you can change by updating the POM. No. I cannot. You can also add these lines. Okay. Java 11. Come on. Let's ask ChatGPT. Just copy the prompt. Can I change the current Java version in the GitHub in any used GitHub workspace? Yes. Blah, blah, blah. Yes, we determined the current version. No, I don't want a workflow. Did I say workflow? No. No. That's all wrong. Stop. I said workspace, not workflow. That's a bit harsh, but I think it will survive that. Got it. Great. If you're looking for a local environment, I know that. I'm not working on... I don't think it knows what... I didn't specify... No, I did specify GitHub Workspace. So why and what is he talking about? Yeah, but I don't want... Well, I could probably... What are we running on? Seems like some kind of Linux. Shall we? No, we shouldn't. Just install SDK, man. Let's just try that. Don't know what would happen. Yeah. Okay, you already on. That is great. Now, we actually don't want that. We want a more current version. 23. What should we use? Is there any Zulu? Let's use Zulu. 1 minus Zulu. Yeah. Now that is pretty cool. I mean, the main thing is all your code, everything you do is online with GitHub, and everything you ask GitHub Copilot goes to GitHub. So I think from a company perspective, this is pretty reckless. And in Germany, we care a lot about data security and the data laws. So we can't do that in a business environment, but that's all right in this case, because I do not do that for work. Sure, yes, please. And now, my good friends, we can use that. Maybe. Would be fun. Okay, very good. New errors are always good. No, I lied. It's not always good, but most of the time. Cannot find symbol. What can't you find here? Everything looks good. We just accept everything. Okay. So we're good now. Yeah, let's create that one. Updated the version. Yes, that's it. Yes. Sync, yes. Okay. We are done. Now, why are you complaining? And why doesn't GitHub Copilot, help us here. We are in need. Cannot find symbol. It's quite strange. What symbol can't you find? Generative value. Java X persistence. Isn't that part of the POM? SDK man, yeah, you did great. You did great. Recompiling. Cannot find symbol. But it all looks quite perfect. Clean install Spring Boot run. So the problem is with the install, I guess, not with the running, right? Expression. So it might be that some single file can't compile and then the whole application goes to shreds. Yeah. Where's that com example? This one. Wait, what? This is different. Why are we in completely different packages? I would like to change that. I actually never use Visual Studio Code for programming, so that's interesting to see. New Java package. No, I would like to change that package. But shouldn't it be enough to just... No. Refactoring, that's what I want. Specifically, I think that's needed here. Download, upload, copy path. Renaming, well, I'm not sure. Let's do that in Copilot test. See if it's renaming the packages as well, and it does not. That is quite unfortunate. Quite unfortunate. Let's move that to that directory. Maybe it's smart enough to check that now. Social coding, well. It does not seem that smart. No problem. We'll just search and replace. Modify. No. Simple here. We want to replace, mass replace basically. Usually that's Control and R, but it's not the case here. Okay, file, edit, that's what we want. Replace in files. Oh, it's Control-Shift-H. Of course it is. Now, what we want is the Johannes Rabauer and Copilot test. That's what we want. And replace it. Do it all now. Wonderful. Now we have some changes and we have some good naming here. Yes. Let's try that one again. Even though it actually shouldn't change anything, right? A variable login form of type login form. Oh. It's the same. Okay. Copilot to the rescue. Generate, nope. We actually want you to fix that. Just fix the problem here. Fix the errors of the Maven build. Let's see what it comes up with. We need to ensure that all necessary. Well, aren't they? Is an updated version. Why would you update something that's perfect? After updating, okay. What changes did you do? Nothing. I don't think this is correct, my good friend. I do not think so. But we will copy and paste this. Look at the changes. Well, it deleted some unnecessary things. It downgraded some library. I don't think that's good. It added some more dependencies. The starter security and starter web. That's not bad, but we had that here. Well, okay. It just moved it. It deleted the Vaadin bomb. That's not good. These are not good changes. No. Reword, discard, yes. Okay. That wasn't as good as expected. We will just do that commit right now. Create a message. Refactor user-related classes and repositories to a new package. Yes, that's what we did. Would you like to stage all your... And yes, always, please. And then sync, okay, don't show again, please. So far, so good. It's basically just a pile of shit now. And that's not good. It seems like something very basic is missing. Do we need some dependency for that? All? No. Maven says that the package is missing. Please fix this in the POM XML. It's writing all the complete POM. Why? But that's something that's quite good, I think. That's something we were missing. We actually want to add that now, right after this one. Can we auto format that? Sure, it can somehow, but does it do a good job or not? Preferences, nah. Just do your best to reformat. I think Copilot edits. No. Word wrap, nah. Okay, just go with that then. That could be a good error to fix. Now the same again. Same basic error. Cannot find symbol. What symbol? The login form? It's right there. Yeah, something fundamentally is wrong here. And what I will do is I add this one and I will check that out locally, compile it with IntelliJ like I usually do, and then get back to you with the updated version of that. Okay, that was it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. I learned a lot about how the Copilot works and what it can do. I'm not really sure how it's integrated here. I still have some problems with using it correctly, but it's a really fun thing to play around with. So yeah, if you have any notes or comments about that, please just write them down. I will surely read them because I'm highly interested in that topic, and maybe we can connect over some Copilot, some co-programming. So thank you again for watching, and maybe we see